integrated, there is always the flexibility to for all the departments to work with, and because of it is interdisciplinary, interrelated, there are chances that they can bring in new sort of innovations. Say, for example, previously we need mechanical and electrical linkages or bigger sort of setup. To reduce that, we have like MEM systems. Even MEMS are becoming outdated to leave way for the NEM systems, nano electromechanical systems. So because of this approach, we are getting much smaller and much smarter sort of systems. So, for example, we have the watch evolution. The previously available mechanical watches have gears and the mainspring which stores the energy, and it'll have to be like keyed in once a particular set of time. After a particular duration, it will have to be keyed in again so that it can keep up the time in good accuracy. So it has purely mechanical setup, and its mechanism has like a regulated gear train, and it is mostly it is manual, and it has good accuracy as well. It has up to like plus or minus 10 to 30 seconds per day of a typical accuracy. But its only function is to keep time. It will only give you time, and maybe with the recent updates, it can give you date and also day as well. While coming to the other side, we have smartwatches. We all have started using smartwatches, right? So smartwatches, their function have become not just keeping time. We can find out our heart rate, our blood pressure, our oxygen levels. It gives us our notifications from our mobiles, and it is even it receives information wirelessly, and it can also give information wirelessly. It has a speaker. We can sometimes even watch videos, and with some mobiles, like they have cameras integrated, they can take videos, and they have a lot of sensors that are built in, like accelerometer, gyroscope, heart rate, GPS, and all of these put together, and with a lot of electronics and MEM systems. This is a very integrated sort of approach rather than the previous singularly mechanically pure sort of approach. Here we have a lot of electronics built in with mechanical systems or micromechanical systems to give us a good multifunctional approach. And it also has software to enhance its um, working process. And also, let's say if your smartwatch turns off and you charge it and turn it on, it can easily integrate. It can easily be updated with the or what is it? It can synchronize with the current time in real time with your smartphone or GPS. Again, another example is manual typewriter and modern laser typewriter. In the manual typewriter, we have like linkages connected to the bars. When you press it, it pushes the key with the ink on the paper. So that's how it type. Here we have in the modern laser printer, it has laser scanning unit, photosensitive drum, which then we have like precision paper transport. The paper is transported in the toner fusion system, fuse the toner, and then it prints on the paper. We can also have like color being printed, graphics can be printed. It enables a lot of unlimited fonts than the previously like particular only one font available in that particular typewriter. And also this can be the printer can be how it can be like wireless. It can print from like laptops, smartphones, tablets, PCs, and whatnot. And then we have our engine control systems. Previously, there was a carburetor, it was completely mechanically controlled, and it has to be manually operated as well. There is a manual choke operation. And when you go to engine control units, as in the ECU, it controls the entire car. So to control that, it has a lot of sensors. So we have an umpteen amount of sensors just in the engine, and surrounded by that, we have sensors throughout the car. Like we can get these collect information, these relay information back to the. I mean, they collect information from the each individual part. Like say, for example, tire pressure sensor. I mean, if you're on a bike, it is easier for you to identify if your pressure is less. But if you're inside a car, it is difficult for you to find out your tire pressure is low. So having a sensor and giving you information is much better. So having this sensor sort of setup, I mean, if, when your tire pressure is good, I mean, it is maintained properly, you will get your vehicle's efficiency is improved, and